Hey guys, this is Nick with Phone Arena and I'm here at IFA 2014 in Berlin. Right now I'm checking out the new Nokia Lumia 830 smartphone, which just got announced. It is marketed or more advertised as a flagship mid-range phone. What this means is that the device delivers experiences usually associated with high-end devices, but is in essence a mid-range device. So let's take a look at the design of this phone. We really have to say that this is the thinnest Lumia design ever, and it's also one of the lightest. It is only 8.5 millimeters thick and it weighs 150 grams. And really, when you look at it from the side, it shows that it's much slimmer than other Nokias. It is made in a typical Nokia fashion. The back is made out of polycarbonate. The side might have a metallic finish to it, but it's actually plastic. Don't confuse this with actual metal. But nevertheless, the phone feels quite solid in the hand. It's a little bit rough here at the edges, so it cannot be held as comfortably as some other models, but overall we're happy with the build construction and the feel of this phone. Here on the side you have the power key, the volume rocker, and the mandatory camera shutter. A two-stage camera shutter is what you get with the phone, and you'll need it, but more on that in a second. Here on the left side there's nothing going on, nothing on the bottom, and here at the top we have the micro USB port for charging and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Up here, down here at the bottom we have the capacitive buttons used for navigation. Up here at the top we have a front-facing camera. I believe this is a 1.3 megapixel sensor and the earpiece of the device. Let's flip the phone around and take a look at what's here. What you see here is a 10 megapixel card-size camera with pure view technology and a single LED light here used as a flash. And down here we have the built-in speaker of the device. This here indicates that the back of the device is removable, so you can swap the back cover in case you want to do so. It comes in other colors such as green, black and white. Also there's wireless charging inside of this device. The screen that you see is a 5-inch panel with a resolution of 720p, 720 by 1280 pixels. It appears to be an LCD panel and it looks actually quite nice to the naked eye. It has great viewing angles and some pretty good colors, and it also appears to deflect sunlight pretty well. Of course, it's not a 1080p screen, you won't be getting as much detail as you would out of one of those, but still it definitely gets the job done. Inside this phone you will find the Qualcomm Snapdragon 400 processor and 1.2 GHz quad-core CPU is what powers the phone, and there's also 1 GB of RAM. And for a Windows Phone device, it feels almost perfect. There are some lags here, but we're not sure if the software here is in a final state or not. As for the software, we see Windows 8.1 running on the device, and actually this phone will ship with the new Nokia Denim software update, which will bring some improvements to the way Cortana works. She will be easier to access with a Hey Cortana command. Also, you get a much faster camera. It takes shorter to boot, and it takes shorter to take one photo after another. Okay, so let's take a look at the camera again. It's a 10 megapixel sensor with optical image stabilization. Yes, a phone this slim actually has optical image stabilization inside, so Nokia is promising that this phone is going to take some great low light shots thanks to this feature. Let's take a quick look at the Nokia camera application. It's the camera app that many of you Nokia fans are probably familiar with. With a swipe up, you can bring your manual controls in case you want to tinker with those, and you also get the smart sequence that you can use to take a burst of photos and then apply effects to those. Another cool feature about this phone is the new Lumia selfie application. It allows you to edit your selfie, so here am I, hello, and you can actually apply effects to your selfies. You can make yourself slimmer, you can apply different filters and all kinds of neat stuff. You can enhance the photo in many ways, which is definitely handy. Alright, what else to say about this phone? It comes with a 2200 milliamp hour battery, which is plentiful for a mid-range phone, especially when it's running the very battery-friendly Windows Phone 8.1 software. As for the price of the Nokia Lumia 830, you're probably looking at a price of around 300 euro, but it's going to be more than that once you add taxes to the final figure. Alright, that was our quick hands-on look at the new Nokia Lumia 830. For more details about this phone, check out our website, phonearena.com.